Welcome, big friends. In this video, we will install another Sublime plugin. Okay, so we will install the Codeigniter Snippets plugin. Okay, so this video is only for Codeigniter students. Okay, so if you are familiar with the Codeigniter, okay, then watch this video. Okay, so if you are not familiar with the Codeigniter, then you can skip this video. Okay, so now inside the ht docs folder, I want to create a new folder. Okay, let's say ci. Okay, right now I don't have the Codeigniter framework. Okay, but just I want to show you how we can use the Codeigniter Snippets plugin. Okay, so first of all we need to install the plugin. Okay, so package control, install package. Okay, and here add Codeigniter Snippets. Okay, this one, Codeigniter Snippets. Okay, and I will show you how we can use the Codeigniter Snippets plugin. Okay, so wait, install successfully. So now inside the ci folder I want to create a new file. Okay, let's say my controller. Okay, let's say if we create the controller. Okay, and here just type controller. Okay, just type controller. Okay, and now press tab key from your keyboard. Okay, so this is your controller. Okay, you can see here we have a class my controller, extend ci controller. Okay, and here we have the default public method. Okay, so again, let's say if you want to create the model, so here new file, my model .php. Okay, just here add model. Okay, just model. Now now press tab key from your keyboard. Okay, so you can see here class my model, extend ci model. Okay, so and here we have a lot of more options. Okay, let's say if you want to create load the library $this load. Okay, you can see here load view, load model, load helper. Okay, load library. Okay, we have a lot of options. Okay, a lot of options. Okay, so this plugin is very helpful for Codeigniter users. Okay, so if you are familiar, so this plugin is very best for you. Okay, and let's say form validation. Okay, form validation. Okay, so here just form validations. Okay, so here we have a very quick line of code just using Codeigniter Snippets plugin. Okay, so thank you so much, and see you in the next video.